Students, see this one is your cone, correct? If you are going to cut this part, what you are going to observe? Smaller circle and the bigger circle. This part is called as the frustum. Frustum is the example. Glass, we can say glass is also an example of frustum. So for generating the formula, this is the smaller circle and this is the bigger circle. For a smaller circle, we can take the radius R2, and smaller circle we can take the radius R1. We can see the center here. From this center to this is called height. The height is what? H1 is the H is the height. Correct? Then formula slant height. So slant height formula is that slant height of frustum. What is the formula? That is what L. L is equal to, in bracket H is as it is, H square plus what is big one? R. R1 is minus R2 the whole square. Correct? Next formula, curved surface area. Curved surface area of frustum. So that is pi r l, correct? So pi and L is same. Pi and L is same. Instead of R, we can write R1 plus R2. Correct? Next one, total surface area first. Total surface area of frustum. See, curved surface area is pi r, R1 plus R2, and that next we have to find up or down area is what? Pi R1 square plus this area is pi R2 square. This is the total surface area of the frustum. Correct? Last one, volume of frustum. Volume of frustum. Volume is what? What is formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h now. So pi and h is same. So r square means what you can write? R square R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. This is the formula. Okay. Now see the first sum. The radii of the two circular end of the frustum shape bucket are 14 cm, 7 cm. The height of the bucket 30. How many liter water the can hold? Correct? So first we write solution. We can write bigger triangle for R1. R1 bigger, we can take R1 is what? 14 centimeter. R2 is what? 7 centimeter. And height is how much given? 30 centimeter. Correct? So we have to find the volume of frustum. Volume of circular shape bucket. What is formula volume? 1 by 3 pi h bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Correct? 1 by 3 as it is, pi, write pi as it is, into h is what? 30. R1 square is what? R1 is 14 square plus 7 square plus R1 is what? 14 into 7. So 1 by 3, 3 10 ja. So this is what? 10 pi. 196 plus 49 plus 7 8 ja, 7 4 8 7 ja, 28, 98. So we have to add all. So if we are going to add this is 343. So we can say 10 pi is what? 22 upon 7 into 343. Correct? 7 4 are 28. Then what is that? 6 3 63. 7 wait, 7 9 are 63. What is that? Multiply 10 into 22 into 49. CuCl. Okay. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, therefore 10 into 22 into 49 centimeter cube is equal to 10 into 22 into 49 upon 1000 liter. 0 0 cut. To multiply 22 into 9, 22 9 the multiply 22 into to multiply we can get 10 7 8 upon 100 इनके प्लेस दो प्लेस पर इसको 10.78 लीटर ब्रैकेट क्या कंटेन करेगा पानी आंसर much लीटर 10.78 लीटर वाटर. Second question, the radii of the first term are 14 cm, 6 cm. Respectively, find the height is 6. If its height is 6, we have to find three things. See, R1 is bigger radius, that is 14 cm. R2 is smaller radius, that is 6 cm. Height is equal to 6 cm. First, we have to find what? Curved surface area. Face area. What is the formula curved surface area? Pi RL. First we have to find L. L formula is what? Under root h square plus R1 plus R2 whole square. L is what? H is 6 square plus R1 is 14 plus 6 square. 6 square is 36 plus 14 20 square, that is 36 plus minus 14 minus 6 is what? 8 square. 8 square 64, it is 100, so that is value of what? 10. L is what? Slant height is 10. Then we find curved surface area. Curved surface area by L R1 plus R2. 3.14 into L is what? 10 into 14 plus 6. 3.14 into 10 100. 20 2 to the 4 this will come to 6 to 8 square centimeter. Third one, second part, this first part. Second part, curved surface area. Total surface area. What is formula? Curved surface is pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. So this is we get what? 628 plus pi means 3.14. कॉमनली लेंगे दोनों का, तो पाई बाहर ले लिया, क्या बचेगा? R1 स्क्वायर प्लस R2 स्क्वायर 628 प्लस 3.14. R1 is how much? 14 square plus 6 square. 624 plus 3.14 196 plus 36. How much? 624 plus 3.14 plus 296 12 13 213. Now if you are going to multiply, we are going to get as 728.48, and here we are going to get 624. 28. Sorry. So what is the answer? 1356.48 square centimeter. Correct. For volume of first term, what is formula? 1/3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So 1/3 pi is 3.14. H is what? 6. R1 14 square plus this H R1 R2 is 6 square plus 14 into 6. That is 1/3 3 2 m. This we have 3.14 into what we are going to get this one 196 plus 36 plus 46 is 70 4 the 24 this one is 3.14 into 2 into 6 12 plus 4 16 9 9 18 1 and 1 9 9 18 18 19 8 9 9 18 19 20 21 2 carry 3 so we can multiply 3 2s are 2 4s are 8 2 6 are 12 2 1 are 2 3 2 3 are 6 2 3 1 multiply 6 3 प्रगति 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 6 14 8 1 9 8 4 1 4 8 see you okay. Now the last sum, the circumference of the circle of a is supposed to be 132 cm over 88 cm and its height is 24. To find the curved surface area, first to complete the following pi activity. Pi 22.7. Circumference first 2 pi r1 that is 132. r1 is 132.2 pi. इसे कट करें क्या मिलेगा आपको 2 6 66 upon pi 66 upon pi 60 pi नीचे तो 22 ऊपर से नीचे रहेगा 7 22 22 3 3 7 22 now इसको भी सॉल्व करें 2 पाई r1 88 upon 2 पाई तो 44 मिला अभी क्या होगा 44 7 into upon 2 पाई ये जो पाई की वैल्यू है क्या होती है 22 upon 7 22 upon 7 ऊपर जाएगा 44 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेगा और 22 आएगा 22 to the 7 to the 14 तो R2 40 मिला फिर आपका स्लैंट हाइट का फॉर्मूला क्या है एच स्क्वायर प्लस R1 माइनस R2 का एच क्या आपका 24 दिया हाइट 24 दिया R1 क्या मिला आपको 21 और R2 14 21 माइनस 14 क्या आएगा 7 का स्क्वायर और 24 का 7 का स्क्वायर 24 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 576 प्लस 7 का 49 576 49 5 625 625 किसका स्क्वायर है 25 तो आपका स्लैंट हाइट ट्रांसफर का क्या मिलेगा 25 ओके।